Hi guys, Jack here from Park Place and welcome back to Ask the Engineer. Joining me today is Senior Advanced Engineer Jeff Court. Jeff, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
That's wonderful to hear. Jeff, someone wrote in asking about a log request for a tape drive. What does this mean?
Yes, drive cleaning. Drive cleaning's basically two things. You got a routine cleaning and a required cleaning. Routine is based on usage or the number of hours that a drive's been used. Required cleaning, that's when a drive detects that it needs to be cleaned and it notifies the software that I need to be cleaned now and I'm not going to be available for use until I am cleaned. There's three types of cleaning out there. There's a manual cleaning, a library managed cleaning, and application managed cleaning. Manual cleaning is just that, operator intervention. Someone's going to have to physically load a tape to a drive to have it cleaned. Library managed cleaning, the library is going to do all the cleaning. It's automatically going to clean a drive when a drive requests to be cleaned. And the application, same thing as library in a sense, but the application is going to handle the cleaning and it will clean the drive when requested.
Okay, cool. Interesting stuff. How long is a cleaning tape good for and how is a cleaning tape identified?
Yes, with the modern day tape technology, LTO, 3592, 9840s, cleaning tape is good for 50 cycles. And how is it identified? Well, it's identified by on the cleaning tape itself, it'll be marked as cleaning cartridge. There's also a barcode label that can be added to it, and the barcode label will start with a CLN, identify it as a cleaning cartridge.
Great. Thank you for your response, Jeff. Some great insights there. If any of our viewers would like to suggest a question to one of our engineers, please feel free to reach out to us by commenting below this post. We'll see you next time on Ask the Engineer.